What's going on, everybody? Justin here with Thoughtfully Grown Homestead, and today I am excited. Why is that, you might ask? Well, it's the end of January, there's snow on the ground here in Michigan, and gardening season has officially begun. That's right, we are starting seeds today, and I'm talking about peppers. Now, you might think that starting peppers in January is too early, especially since our last frost date is at the beginning of May. I mean, if we just went by the seed pack, most peppers are around 75 days to maturity, and that would have us starting seeds in March, right? So why January? That's because peppers take a long time to produce and ripen, especially with your hotter varieties. Now, that 75 days will give you some peppers, so it's technically mature, but the plant is not going to be producing anywhere near what it could be had you started it earlier. And if you have a shorter growing season like we do, that means you're going to be missing out on a ton of extra peppers. This, of course, is going to leave you with larger plants when it comes time to put them in the garden, but if you have the space for it, start your pepper seeds early. For seed starting, we're using Pro Mix, which is a peat-based blend, and I've pre-moistened this before adding it to the tray. I've also added an all-natural, slow-release fertilizer. While the Pro Mix does have some nutrients that will help the plants for the first 1 to 2 weeks, the added fertilizer will continue to feed these after that point. Now, in the past, to keep it cost-effective, we have used store-bought organic soil, and we've even used our own compost mixed with sand, and those work great for many seed starts, but it was a bit of a struggle to grow happy and healthy pepper seedlings. You see, peppers are very prone to root rot, and they like a loose, well-draining mix. Any type of garden soil or compost is going to hold on to too much water, and it's going to compact much more easily, causing a multitude of growing issues or just no growing at all. So be sure to choose a quality seed starting mix. This year, we're actually growing 10 different pepper varieties, and I'm going to start them all in this 72-cell seed starting tray. I know it's common with other vegetables to start multiple seeds in each cell and just thin them out later, keeping the strongest seedling, but with peppers, they can actually kind of fight each other and cause them all to struggle. So I would stick with no more than 1 to 2 seeds per cell, and you should be good. One last thing to note is that pepper seeds love a consistent temperature between 70 and 85 degrees to germinate. So if you've been struggling with starting peppers, try using a heat mat for germination and then pull it off after the seeds have sprouted. All in all, peppers can be easy to grow from seed if you take the right approach with them. Give them a loose, well-draining mix, don't overwater, give them consistent temperature, and start them early if you have the space for it. While other types of seeds seem like you can just stick them in some soil and they grow, peppers need just a little extra attention to help get them started. At that, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.